When it comes to muscle repair, seafood is a powerhouse. Fish like salmon and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and promote recovery after intense workouts. They are also loaded with high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Beyond the protein and healthy fats, fish provides vital vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D and selenium, which support overall health. Incorporating fish into your diet can enhance your performance and speed up recovery. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish weekly to reap the benefits. Get creative with your meals. Grill, bake, or mix into salads for a delicious muscle-boosting treat.